Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original. This is the Misdirection knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. Come over and we're going to put a dimple. And we're going to bring it over and then under like this. So we're already starting with a misdirection. That's going to be the whole purpose of this knot. Go up like this. Going to make it kind of small. Go around like this. So we got this. And then back over like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this over, underneath this right here. Then I'm going to come back this way. All right. Now I kept my finger in this loop here. That's important because see it's going to be down here. I don't know if you can see my finger right there. So what I'm going to now do is I'm going to put this up through this loop. Now I'm going to fold this tie in half. And I'm going to go over like this. And then back like that. Let me put my collar down. There you have the misdirection. It's just going all kinds of different places. I want to kind of leave it like so you can see it going. So there you have it. On your assignment, friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.